The topic of today's video is how to create new ledgers in Zoho Books. Now, in Zoho Books, you don't need to technically create ledgers because they are already set up for you. You just need to find them. So here we are on the Zoho home screen. I will assume you're already signed in. And what we want to do is go to the report section on the left-hand side of the screen. And here in the report center, what we want to do is go to the search bar, and all we need to do is type in ledger, and then you'll just click on general ledger and you'll see all your information is set up here in the ledger. Now we can customize our report columns to however we want them set up and just hit apply. Furthermore, after running our report, we can save as a custom report and we can edit our information like date ranges and report basis. And that's really all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.